Okay, Folded, Toni Creates, and our Waterfall journal, guys. So the last time I touched this was a month ago on my video. Not my video, a month ago on my birthday. And this is just a 12 by 12 project box, guys. And so I haven't touched it, but last night, lying in bed, thinking about it, I was like, I have an idea. So what I have done so far, you see I've ruffled the edges, it's quite nice and grungy, is I want to do something for the front. So I'm just going to take the front out. I'm going to put this back on so I don't get these all mixed up. Right, so now I know this actually needs to get reinforced. Yeah, it's got a fold where it shouldn't have a fold, but we don't have to worry about that today. So these are the pages I've got. This is all the ephemera bits. Okay, all right, these are lovely. That's not from the pack, but that goes with. Let's have a look here. These are leftovers. Now I want something that will come over here. Okay, these are all too small, so let's just stick these, turn this lid upside down. And now I'm looking for some. Now that's the one thing. This is a Minte paper pack. It's not Stamperia. Stamperia is my favorite, guys, and they have such good their pages are like you could fussy cut anything. This is okay. Maybe I should take these half bits. See, now I like that, but I want something that's gonna go. See, now if I had this coming this way, I would not gonna work. Hold on, this might work. This might work. Okay, I'll take this out as an option. These are, oh, isn't that yummy? Right, now this one. Is the one that I have got over here. This one. And sorry, I want the, okay, I like this. Here it is. This is the piece I want. Have I got two of these? That's why. No. Okay, so let's stick the pages back. Let's see, by the way. And I want this. So I want this to come right across to this. This is the width of my journal, so I can't go past. Yeah, that's why I'm measuring this way. But I want like a fussy cut out that's gonna kind of lay over everything. So I am just going to fussy cut. Let's just chop this bottom bit off here because it is most unattractive. See, did I pull the gas? Okay, let's go. I should have actually measured 12 inches, but anywho, doesn't really matter. I'm going to chuck that piece away. I'll move my dustbin now. I've got to try and remember where I put it. Okay, so we put that one back, and I just want to have a look and see. Okay, I'm going to fussy cut. I'll just fussy cut this. What is that? That's a leaf or something. So I'm just gonna fussy cut. Straight edge. This one. should technically cut this out first, eh? But no, I'm doing it this way. I shall fast forward, people. There we go. So we could actually make it a bit more interesting, and that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry folks, I'm cutting this little bit off here. This little bit off. No, not this little bit, this little bit here. Cutting this flutterby out. Okay. Just going to go like that, and straight edge, come like that. There we go. That makes things a lot more interesting. Okay, now we want to, what do we want to do? What do we want to do? Now this is not standing out, so we are going to get our, I think we're gonna, because this is so busy, I'm going to use my ground espresso, and we're just gonna come and take those white edges off, and then we will reevaluate. There's something about this paper that is not quite kosher. It feels like it wants to split that way. I don't know. Okay, this is the part that really needs to be inked, because we can't see it in the busy background, but we might put some nice paper behind there. Okay, let's see, how does that look? That looks great. Now what I might want to do is take this out, use this piece up while we have it. Waste not, want not, is what I say. Like that. Okay. Okay, I'm not going to ink that edge. I just want to ink this edge. We're going to lose our butterfly. Actually, let's lose our light bulb. That's going to come up like that. And then we have this bit here. Now, what do I want to do? This is going to be a pocket, guys. So we're going to leave that there. But I think we need to... What do we need to put behind this? It's going to go like that. What do we need to put behind this? We're going to put this. I think maybe we should get a piece of real lace. We've got doilies. They're going to help. Too white, but it'll look fabulous. We definitely have to do something behind there. I'm looking, folks. Right, I have this tool that Lut gave me, I think, but now we don't want to obstruct the pocket. You know, we can't put that behind there because we'll obstruct. I forgot about that. It's going to be a pocket. So what are we going to do, folks? What are we going to do? I wish I had turquoise lace, because I would so put some turquoise lace on here. Here we have some metallic. This I got in Portugal, guys. Yeah, I think this was it my very first holiday? No, it couldn't have been my very first holiday to Portugal, because this I got in Lisbon. Oh yeah, I think we're going to do that. Yes, I'm going to put him down. Okay, let's get this lace down. Glue. I'm going to use this this glue. So when I'm filming this video, the Rugby World Cup has started, guys. It's overtaking my life and it's only day 2. Right, you need to stick. You need to stick. Okay, sticking. Let's just go like that. Okay, so you're sticking nicely. Okay, and this one's going down here. Where's the fabric? Where's my tacky glue? Tacky glue, where are you? Here we go. I'm going to be liberal with the tacky glue so that it can stick between the lace and stick the lace down a bit more. Okay, so it's gonna go down there. Okay, let's stick you down. Why are you shifting over? You need to stay there. Okay, right, okay, now our nice collage piece is going to come here, and this is going to be part of our closure. So I'm thinking, okay, that's so cute, just like that, isn't it? But I want this coming, like, has to be like that, has to be, or we can move it up a bit. I need to put something down here. Right, where are those bits that we chucked out there? I just want to have a look and see if we can reintroduce the light bulb. Let me just go, I know, let's cover it up and then put it back on again, hey? There's the light bulb. It wasn't in any of the, let's have a look here. I suppose I could cut one of these out. Thing is, you can use, that's a nice long piece. I don't really want to break. I've got loads of these. Look, 2 of those. So I could actually, it's actually quite stunning with the butterfly. Let's use that one, and we're going to cut it out with the butterfly. Like that. Sorry. Right. Right, I'm going to stick this down. I'm just looking, am I going to put this right over the edge? Sorry, this is not right. I'm going to stick this right over to the edge. I think I will. Okay, so now we're going right over to the edge. When we go this way, we're going right over to the edge. Oh, I've got to work hard. I've got to watch that little piece there. We're going straight, and I go shifted. That's as far as we can go. So the glue mustn't come past here. We need glue over there. I'll put glue. So my glue is going to come. I'm going to put this glue. That's going to have to go like that. So more like that. I'm just thinking of this little piece here. Can't go there because we've got a piece hanging over. It comes there. This looks a bit funny. Needed to be over a little bit more so you actually see the lace. So this is how it has to go. So let me see. This is how it has to go. So I'm just looking. Do we want it to come down? Actually, we want to come down. So I want the glue to come here and here. Okay, so this glue is coming here. Okay, and then this is coming not there, that's the top, so we're coming down this way. Oh my goodness, you really have to hook up. You got to hold your head. And we're going up. I'm going to put lots on here because this is where it's going on the lace. Okay. Oops, up a bit. We make sure there's no glue on this side. Squish it down. And that's where we go, peeps. Okay, now we haven't inked this. Okay, sorry. Okay, now this is going to go there, but we need to put something behind it. We don't need more lace. Oops, what you need to, let's just give you some incentive here. There we go. You need to stick. I think I'm just going to get a little bit of my 1822 paper, and I'm just going to not even have words on it. We're just going to go like that. We're going to stick that down there. This journal is a, this is what I like. You know what I mean? It's one of those. This is my birthday journal. This is, there we go. I feel like I want a circle. I need a look, circle, circle. Oh, there's circle 3. But I feel like I want a circle here. I think I've got a teeny tiny one in here. Teeny tiny one. Teeny tiny one. Where are you? Yeah. Please. Oh, they're just. Oh, it's just got. It's got some writing on it. What's this one got? That one's blank. This is Tim Holtz. Don't ask me. Teeny tiny things. Don't know where I got it. Don't know what it's. Okay, let's take our fingers and just have a look. If I do that there and I go like that, maybe just move that over a bit. So that leaf is now needs to be chopped off. Let's make that a bit more interesting. Sorry, already got its own grunge. Let's go like that. I think this piece is a little bit too okay. Give this piece of paper a bit more character. There we go. I love doing this to paper. Okay, now that's gonna go there, and our light bulb is gonna go there. And let's take this one and go like that. You know what it is? It's the blue on this thing. It's blue. I want turquoise. And then there's definitely no turquoise in here. So we need to find something. We need to find something. We need to make our own little circle. Hold on a sec. This is a 3/4 inch hole punch. Now I saw these numbers here. Do we just, oh, that one's actually, if I do that like that, is that it? Is that it, folks? Let's try and see number 9. No, it doesn't work, but it does come off the page. Let's go. Try to get this in there like that. Having a look here. So that's number 9. Okay, we'll leave that there. Oh, look at this. There's a number 1. Let's have a look and see what that looks like. While we've got this out, let's have a look and see what does that look like if we go like that. Very interesting. If we go like that, boring. This side looks more interesting. Having those, and yep, there we go. Let's see if I can get another one out here. No. Okay, let's have a look. Number 1 with a flower. Okay, well, let's take you out. How do we want? That's upright. Now then we've got a funny piece. There we go. Okay, let's have a look and see. Here's a rose that will fit perfectly in here. Okay. Do we do you? You've got a bit of a funny edge, but we could do you. Number 1. Okay, number 1's 1. Okay. Left. Blue book. Now I have to be very gentle with this. Very, very gentle. Let me just go like that and get that over. Let's open the page. Oops. That's the right side. This is the back. Let's go like that. Don't smoosh, please. And you're gonna go Okay, now I'm going to put this in the completely wrong place, but you know what? It's staying where it's staying. There we go. Now the other two, we're going to have to go. Okay, I want to see this little triangle. I want to cover that up. And then number one can come over there. Maybe something square. Maybe I'm going to change my mind. Change my mind, peeps. No, come on. Stop procrastinating. Just do it. So there we go. Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Number one is going to come in there. There we go. And then we can, oh, look at that. Go like that. Put him in there. Like, okay, we wanted to cover up that little gap we got going on there. Okay, look, there's grunge on here. I need to find a glue book, open the glue book and just get that off my glue. Yeah. Okay, so I think we're kind of done. I just want to, I think I might just put this one. Does it kind of fit in here? No, it's not. We need one of these smaller ones. Here we go, tall and narrow. Here's the door. Okay, so that's gonna go in there. Is that all down there? That's all down there. Still two. But this one we can narrow on this side. Just gonna take this off like that. Okay, maybe do the other side as well. Yeah, I have to do the other side as well. And just take that off like that. Keep those bits, folks, and let's just go like this. Okay. Okay. And then we need a tab. What are we going to use? Oh, this is a bit dark, but anyway, we've started already. Just be gentle. Just be gentle. Gentle, gentle. Okay. Is that going to go in there? That's going to go in there. Okay. But we need to put a little... tiny attacher, and I'm going to sew around that and then have a look and see. Right, I didn't sew all around, I just did a messy sewing, so that's going to go in there. Okay, and these leaves might, you see how the paper's splitting? Not good. Okay, so that's in there, so that's our front. Oh, Ina, I went and pricked myself. Oh, sorry, somebody saw the blood. Sorry. Okay, where's our journal? So this is going to be the front, And this is going to come all the way across the pages. Okay, so now this is very busy in the front. There's no focal point except our little butterfly light bulb. But you know what? We will. So now here I'm going to kind of reinforce this. I don't know how, because this is going to be part of our closure. And oh, this lovely spot for a pocket here. So I will work away with that. But that's all I have energy for today, folks. And this is actually going to come out. It's too busy for in there. I think I might just actually put a, let me show you what it'll look like with a blank. Yeah, this is how quickly I changed my mind. I know it's horrendous. Don't like this store. But if you have a blank tag in there, too wide. Oh, I just want to get the idea. Just want you to get the idea. Too wide, too wide. This is actually the exact right color. Don't look at the top. It's I just want to show you the color. Does this come loose? Something's going on. Anyway, you see that looks better. That is, I'm going to do that. I'm going to make a tag. There's something going on here. Oh, my lace has come loose, guys. So I've got to stick that down. So, but I won't torture you with that. So that's my idea. I just wanted to show you this fussy cutting. And then reinforce. So I will, don't know when I'll get back to you with this, but that's what I'm doing. Just pottering away with this as I feel. And then, you know, when the time comes, it'll be finished. Okay, folks, I've repaired the brake. That's all sticking thing. And then, so we're not using this. Okay, folks, we're not using this. Too busy. But I found these in the pack. And I thought we can use them. Let's put some flowers in before we shove them in there. Okay, yeah, I've got some sari silk. Oopsie, don't do that. Cut nicely. And I think I'm actually going to rip this in half, guys, because it's a lot of fabric. Here we go. See, there's quite a lot of fabric there. I think we might keep those little blue threads. And then we go like that. Oops. Oops, come on. I wonder if we should do this other one a different color. If I had like a, come on. There we go. So you can go in there like that. And then this one, I think, let me have a look here at my seam binding. Kind of like this. That'll work. That'll work. Oh, it smells so good in there. No, this way. I like the bump to be on the front side. It's actually stunning, that. Okay. Come on. See, I like this bit to be on the front side, so you two can go in there on the front cover. Is this lifting up again? Yes, it is. Okay. Me being impatient. So I'm just going to go like that. So there we go. That looks much better, hey? Much better. Okay, there we go. that's done there. Okay, so that's our first page done. That's our first page done, like that. And let me just come and put this over here so you can stay down. There we go, guys. We'll sort out the reinforcing at the back and all that when I feel like it. This journal is a when I feel like it journal. Okie dokie, folks. And we need to put this in the box and that in the box, because that is almost the perfect color butterfly. So guys, so everything's going in my project box here, and I think I might put this in here as well. Don't know where I found that. Okay, so you can go there, and I'm gonna stick this little piece of seam binding in there. Ready for another day. Okay folks, well, have a great day and I'll speak to you soon. Cheerio now.